Go.
Fast. Okay, it's not fast enough. Okay, yeah, it is. What if I get out? Oh, this thing's so scary.
She's so tired. You can do it. Hello.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get off. Oh God, I can't even move. Ah! I'm so dizzy. My ear hurts. I'm gonna throw up.
He hung up on me because he
I'm
got
gonna throw
mad.
up. Can you see my butt?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna jump off.
Okay, do
I'm gonna
it.
jump off. Help me.
Just jump.
Can't.
Yeah, you can. I promise. It's not as hard as what it looks like. Just do it.